Hello, 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 my beautiful people. Welcome back, and I'm so happy to see you guys. As always, I'm coming to you guys tonight, and I am very sad about the news that I am bringing to you guys. Judge Mathis. Judge Mathis, he's been on TV forever, and they have decided that they want to cancel him and they want to cancel Judge Marilyn Millian from the People's Court, the one that comes on right after him, guys. Now, I'm bringing you this juice, guys, but first I need to get you to hit that subscribe button for me. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Look out for us, sister. Hit that subscribe button, tap on that notification bell if you want updates. Leave me a comment, and if you like the video, hit that like button. Everything on this video is alleged. This video is being made for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes under the Fair Use Act. No copyright infringement is intended, and in a case of any criminal action, please know that everyone is considered innocent until proven guilty. Okay, guys. One of our favorite people, one of my favorite people, Judge Greg Mathis. After 24 seasons, they are canceling his show as well as the People's Court, which is the one that comes on right behind him with Judge Marilyn Millian. We actually really have love for Judge Mathis. He has been a real person. He handles his courtroom with compassion, with guidance, and he understands most of the things that come in there. He understands because he'll say himself he wasn't always a judge. But after 24 years for Judge Mathis and 26 years for Judge Millian, Warner Brothers has decided that they wanted to cancel the show. Now, guys, I would really love to see some other network pick them up because Judge Mathis did a lot for the community, and Judge Mathis did a lot of things, sometimes out of his own pocket, to help some of the people who he saw in distress and in trouble. And you all know Judge Marilyn Millian, this young lady right here. Her show comes on right behind Judge Mathis, and it has been a staple in many people's household on a daily basis for 26 years for Judge Millian, 24 years for Judge Mathis. They have brought us entertainment. They have brought us laughter. They have brought us tears. They have brought us drama. And they are going to be missed. And I'm hoping that someone else, since Warner Brothers is canceling them, I'm hoping that someone else would pick them up. Because shows like this that last for 24 and 26 years, they bring something to society. They bring learning and understanding to our young people who need guidance, and those who has gone out and found themselves in situations that could land them in the trouble of their lives and that could affect their lives forever and ever. So we need good people like Judge Mathis and like Judge Millian around just for the guidance. I won't say for the entertainment purposes, although they were very entertaining. Judge Mathis was very understanding because he had came from a troubled background. He'd tell you that himself. And he was in trouble as a teenager, and he'll tell you that he was into something all the time. His mother was constantly on him, trying to keep him out of trouble. He grew up in the inner city where there's open doors for lots of trouble. he actually wrote a book called Inner City Miracle, and I purchased it when it came out. I read it. It was captivating. It told a story of a young man who was troubled and who knew the street life, and a good praying mother who tried to guide 4 young troubled sons, and I loved every second of it. He also did a second one called Street Judge, and you can order these books offline, guys. Judge Milian has made a great contribution to her audience as well. Knowledgeable of the law and ruled with a firm hand, and she always tried to be as fair as she could, and people were captivated by her courtroom antics and a lot of the things that she did in her show to keep the audience knowledgeable of what the law was and how it needed to be applied. Guys, this is going to be a great loss for us who love them and who look forward to them on a daily basis, coming into our living room through the TV. I used to make my children sit down and watch them just so they could learn the different types of things that could create problems for you and trouble for you in your life, because there were a lot of youth that came through these courtrooms and a lot of youngsters who were there and a lot of parents who were taught lessons as well by both of these judges. And guys, some of those lessons, some parents took it to heart and some parents defended their children right around to the bitter end. But all in all, at the end of whatever the case was, there was a lesson learned for that youngster, and usually Judge Mathis would let them know that he was real and that he had lived the street life just like they had, and that he had been lost but was found, and that he went from being a street thug, is the way he put it, to a TV judge. And not just a TV judge, he also worked in the actual court system in Detroit, Michigan. Guys, this is going to be a great loss. It's going to be a great loss for ratings for that television station, and I have no clue as to what in the world they're going to put up there to replace him. But Judge Mathis was real, and he was fun. And as you see him right here, this right here, it shows you that he has a great sense of humor. But during this sense of humor, he's also being real. And I'm not going to say what I see, guys, but those of you who know the life know what's going on. And he is not holding back. And it probably brought a laugh to the courtroom afterwards. But that's who he was, and that's why we love him, and that's why we are going to miss him. And Judge Milian was knowledgeable and no nonsense and firm. And she took her time to try to be fair, and she looked out for right, and they both were just 2 great people doing great things. We're going to miss you. We need more of this in our children's lives, and we need more of this to be shown on TV. Thank you guys for coming. I appreciate you all. You know that. I got much love for you guys. And I'm giving you a second opportunity, as I always do. I'm going to cut that out once I get to my 1,000 subscribers, and I'm going to only ask you once. But right now I'm trying to reach that 1,000, guys. So hit me up, support me. If you like the video, tap on that like button. Hit that subscribe button so you can be in my community and in my group. If you want immediate updates, tap on the notification. Share the video with friends and family. And always leave me a comment in the comment section. Much love to you guys. Smooches now. Mwah.